Hello, hi, it's Liz here. It's Monday, time for Margarete Miller collage assignments and getting the little book out. So we are at number 31 and here are this week's prompts. Something found in a desert, fibre, yarn or string, cursive handwriting, an art scrap, an eating or cooking utensil, and the bonus is a piece of colouring book page. So I have my usual little bundle. I'll just peg that down, and my little bundle is here. So something found in a desert. I have a cactus, a cacti, fibre, yarn or string. I have this to play around with. Handwriting. I have picked out 2 stamp sets with cursive writing, and I think I'm going to put Hello Monday on the page somewhere. That is Hampton Arts Cling, and it's called Cling Sentiments. Kelly Panacci. They're very old, as you can see, so I don't know if they're still available. And this is Prima Marketing, and I don't know if it's got a name. Traveller's Journal. So you can see how it's actually for a kind of planner. This week, Happy Mail shopping, this month, things to do. But we'll be using the Monday from that set. You can see that they've been used quite a lot. Art scrap, I've got this piece here, and eating or cooking utensil, I have a pot or a pan, depending on where you come from. A saucepan or a pot. We call them pots. We call them saucepans too. And I just thought that might be quite quirky. We're cooking a cactus, as you do, and I'm just going to cut this to length, about there maybe, or tear it to length, and then I just thought we would somehow set that on there, maybe somehow. These two, the pot and the cactus, is from my extraordinary book to cut out and collage. It gets used often for the Margarete Miller challenge. I'm just trying to think, does this open up any, or is it just a little bit? Maybe put a bit like that on. I'm not sure if that sort of twisted. I'll just cut it there. Some hairy ribbon. Maybe there somewhere. It's going to be tricky, I can tell. So that's just the cursive writing, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's figure out where we're going to put hello. Maybe there with the Monday. Yes. Now you'll just need to give me 2 ticks because I don't have a acrylic block. There we are, an acrylic block out, and I'm thinking I will stamp. So we'll just put that and I have my VersaFine, just to stick with the black. And I should have moved that. So we want it to be there. Yeah, because otherwise I was going to hit the page there. Right. That's fine. Hello. 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 And again, we'll put it at this end. Sometimes these things take a bit of figuring out, don't they? Or am I just dim? Now, I think I want this on the coloured paper. So let's see if we can. I'm trying to figure out, do I want to take it off the book, but then I don't know where to put it. Let's just go for it. There. And I'm just going to move it about because I'm not getting a straight. There, that's fine. Hello, Monday. Hello, Monday. Let's cook a cactus. Oh, okay, right, let's get this stuck. So I'll move some of my stamps on the pad, that, and I'll just bring in my, move the stamps away and the scissors away, and I've got my gluey magazine. Those little bits of fibre are going to get everywhere. Now, way straight. Yep, as straight as it's going to be. I wonder if you can cook cactus. Does anybody know? Maybe people that live in the desert. It's only certain deserts that have cactus. I remember when we were doing, many years ago, when we had a big holiday, we toured America for 3 weeks over on the west coast, and we went over the desert from, I don't know what desert it was, I can't remember the name of it, but it was from Phoenix in Arizona to Las Vegas, and there was lots of cactus and, let me think, trees, Joshua trees, and the tour guide said that that cactus would be 1 year old because it had one arm, and cactuses that had 2 arms would be 2 years old, and so forth. I have no idea if that's right or not. I'm guessing she would know. She was a tour guide. Right, let's just see if we can get some of this on. This is going to be tricky. Oh, you don't want to be seeing this. You're not missing anything. That's just a mess. That's just that 3-in-1 stuff. Oh, I don't know where it even went. What side did I put it on? Do you know, I don't... I think it went on that side. I think I've got a twist. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. Let's find something to push it down. Oh, that's okay. Quite like it with the wee twist. It gives it a little bit of fluff. Yeah. Hello, Monday. Time to cook a cactus. Oh, is that? No, it's fine. Right, I think that's me. So, something found in the desert, fibre, handwriting, an art scrap in the background, and an eating or cooking utensil. I do quite like this. Yes, I'm not sure that it's better than number 10. It might be my second favourite. I do like when things are quirky, and man standing in shoe, cactus in a pot. Right, well, that's me for today, and yeah, thanks for joining me. If you've liked this video, thumbs up would be great, and thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye for now.